50 people in line for McDonald's.
We're gonna be sitting here for 10 hours. Asshole. Dude, this looks really gross. What's it taste like? I'm making my own.
Okay. Her phone,
Look who it is. Deck!
What should you do? A jumping jacks.
What up, Mcds? They need to.
Very smart, small bus. I have a flower for an eye.
Oh, mine tastes like poopy.
How are you today? How are you?
It's eating Jack.
Candy
A flapjack.
Mountain.
A flapjack. Come with me. We'll go and see a place called Candy Island. Who needs adventurous and free? Adventure, that's the life for me. There's lollipop trees and a lemonade sea. That doesn't sound very good to me. The men lead the way. Hey, hey. Da 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 da. It's adventures of Flapjack. Yeah. Just like the part where he's like, fuego.
How to taste like cotton candy?
Why is no one on MySpace? Everyone's in school.
Fuck my life.
It's really dying.
It's because I have it and then it gets moved. See?
100% beefy satisfaction times 2. In an island, it's safer at the docks, but there ain't no streams of sody pops go trickling down the rocks. It's dangerous and risky, but adventure. No, can I get a double cheeseburger meal with a Dr. Pepper? This flour. You need to go back in your home. No, can I get a double cheeseburger meal with a Dr. Pepper? Did you see your fucking teeth, dude? They're like... Verde. Gives you hell when you walk my way. Hope it gives you hell. Hope it gives you hell. When you find a man that's worth a damn and treats you. Oh wow. When you see my face, hope it gives you. You're gay. How do I know all that?
Can you blame me? You're my Amy, I'm your Blake.
You're on camera. He's like, what? Dude, there better be catching. He's got them nutties. He's got them cracks. He's got the sugar lumps. No, we need ketchup.
We need ketchup.
We need ketchup.
We need ketchup.
Oh my god. Jesus. You're gonna pull over. He just threw ketchup at me. He's like, here.
I'm so glad I got that on camera. Drive through, and we came inside to eat our shit. It's real good.
Ladies and gentlemen, give me my venom in hand and two Benadryl, and I'll invite Sarah Pam and after dinner then. Taylor, let me say hello to my little friend.
His name is Francois. Francois the Mouse.